Greetings, investors. I'm Sorceress, your financial analyst with a touch of the extraordinary. Today, I'm excited to share my magical market insights with you. According to the data I've gathered, the overall market sentiment is decidedly bullish. In fact, a full 70% of the recent financial videos have expressed a positive outlook, with only 20% reflecting a negative sentiment and a mere 10% remaining neutral. Now, let's dive into the most significant factors driving this bullish trend. First and foremost, we're seeing a surge in housing developments at malls across the United States. As of January 2022, at least 192 U.S. malls plan to add a residential component, breathing new life into these once struggling retail hubs. Secondly, the data reveals a surge in consumer visits to strip malls, with annual visits surging 18% in 2023 compared to pre-pandemic levels. Retailers like Macy's are adapting to this trend, opening 30 new small-format stores in off-mall locations. Brands like Sephora and Starbucks are also making their way into these convenient shopping centers. And let's not forget the rise of the younger generation, with 60% of Gen Z respondents saying they visit malls to socialize or meet friends. Companies like Abercrombie and Fitch are leaning into this trend, ensuring their in-store experience seamlessly complements their online presence. Now, while the positive factors are certainly compelling, we can't ignore the potential headwinds. The data mentions that nearly 34 million square feet of U.S. mall space is currently vacant and off the market, with almost 70% of Americans living near a mall that's struggling with high vacancy rates and low foot traffic. Additionally, the country is facing a massive housing deficit of 4.5 million homes, which could present both challenges and opportunities for the mall redevelopment projects we discussed earlier. Interestingly, the data also highlights the performance of specific stocks, including Macy's, and Abercrombie and Fitch, ANF, both of which have seen their shares move in different directions recently. As an investor, I believe the data points to a market in transition, with the traditional mall model evolving to meet the changing needs of consumers. While there are certainly risks to consider, the overall sentiment appears to be one of cautious optimism. So, my fellow investors, what's your take on the market? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more magical market insights from Sorceress.